In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Forms on your PC or laptop in just 5 minutes. Creating Google Forms is a fantastic way to collect data, conduct surveys, or even set up quizzes, and it's all seamlessly integrated with your Google account. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. You can simply type Google Drive into your web browser and click the link from your search results. Once you're logged into your Google account, and on the Drive homepage, you'll see an option labeled New on the upper left side of the page. Clicking this button is your gateway to creating a wide range of Google documents. After you click on the New button, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option Google Forms in this menu and click on it. Google offers a couple of starting points for your new form, so this is an important step in tailoring the form to your needs. Now you're faced with a choice. You can start with a blank form, create a quiz, or even use a pre-made template. If you're new to Google Forms, starting with a blank form is a good way to learn, while using a template can save you time if you're looking for something more structured. Selecting blank form will take you to a fresh Google Form document. The first thing you'll want to do is give your form a name, which you can do by clicking on the upper left corner where it says Form Title. This will help you organize your forms later on. Next, it's time to add some content. You can start by adding questions. Google Forms allows for various types of questions such as multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answer. To add a question, simply click on the plus sign icon that appears on the right side of the screen. As you create questions, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Short Answer. This allows you to change the type of response you'd like to receive. If you want to ensure certain questions are answered, you can make them required by clicking the button labeled Required at the bottom of each question. This is crucial for gathering the data you need without missing any responses. Once you have your questions in place, you might want to customize the appearance of your form. Click on the Customize Theme button to change the visual style of your form. You can add an image, adjust colors, and select fonts to give your form a cohesive and inviting look. And lastly, when you're satisfied with your form, go ahead and click Publish. This will enable you to share the form online for people to fill out. Remember, whether you're conducting a survey, collecting data, or organizing a quiz, Google Forms is a powerful tool that provides instant feedback and data organization. Thank you for watching, and happy form